Hi friends, welcome to Tutor's Funny channel. Today I'm going to teach how to install the MongoDB and MongoDB Compass, which is a desktop version in your machine. So go to the Google and type MongoDB download. Click on this, the community server download. Now this is a community server download here. You can see here. So I'm going to go to select the community server, this one, right? So this is the I'm going to set as a locally one. So try the MongoDB local or cloud. So it will be select here. So I'm going to get started locally. So the get started locally, so you can install like this. So here, right. So I'm going to select the package. It's a local one. So you have to get the current version is this. You can select the corresponding operating system here. If it is a Linux, you can go for Linux. If you are a Mac user, you can select a Mac user. Red Hat, which is a Linux, you can select this one. Okay, this is there are various operating systems in there. I'm going to select my corresponding operating system, which is a Windows 16. This is the operating system package. It is I'm going to select MSI. Okay, so here click on this download button. Your download has been started. You have to wait until the download is completed. Okay, here it's download started. You have to wait until the download is complete. Now it installed successfully. You can show here it's downloaded successfully. You can see here. You click on the folder. You double click on this MongoDB Windows. This one. It will be open up the setup file to install the setup in your machine. Click next. Accept the license agreement. Click next. Here you have a custom and complete two things. So I'm going to go to the complete custom. Select this one. This is the C drive where it will be installed the path. It automatically select the path where it's going to install in your machine. Click next. Here run as a server. Write as a server name. Okay, MongoDB. This is the directory where your MongoDB server is installed. Right. Under the C drive programming. MongoDB, right? Next, here it asks install MongoDB Compass, right? So MongoDB Compass, which is a GUI application of MongoDB. So you have to install the MongoDB Compass as well, right? So click next, here next, click install, right? You have to wait until the installation process completed. After install successfully, it automatically open up. You have to click connect. Here it will be connected successfully. Now some problem happen while you connect, it's not connected. You go to the service. Here you can see the service of my MongoDB service. Here the MongoDB service, you can see the MongoDB service running or not. Here this MongoDB server is running. If the MongoDB server is stopped, it won't working, right? So here sometime it's not connected. Here if I'm going to open up again, go to the after install the MongoDB Compass, you go to here, click on this. You can see here, if you connect, connection refused. The problem is it is not running, so you have to start it, right? This is the way you have to install the MongoDB Compass and MongoDB in your machine. Okay, if you click connect, it will be connected, right? I hope you guys understood the things well. Thank you for watching.